In this video, you'll learn how to manage Dropbox backups so your important files stay safe without clogging up your computer. We'll cover how to use Dropbox backup for your computer and external drives, and then how to use selective sync to save space. Follow along on your own device and feel free to pause as you go. Let's start with Dropbox backup for your computer. This feature automatically syncs key folders from your Mac or PC, like desktop, documents, and downloads, straight to the cloud. That way, if something happens to your computer, those files are already stored safely online. First, open the Dropbox desktop app. On Windows, you'll usually find the Dropbox icon in the notification area near the clock. You may need to click the small upward-facing arrow to see more icons. On a Mac, this icon is typically in the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click the Dropbox icon to open the app panel. Next, look for your profile picture or your initials in the corner of that Dropbox panel and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This opens a window where you can control how Dropbox behaves on your device. In the Preferences window, go to the Backups tab on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll manage automatic backups of your main folders. Now, click the button labeled Manage Backups. Dropbox will scan for key folders like desktop, documents, and downloads that it can back up for you. You'll see an option to get started. Click Let's Get Started, then follow the prompts on screen. Dropbox will show you which folders it plans to back up. Take a moment to review them and make sure they're the ones you want protected. When you're happy with the selection, click Set Up. Dropbox will begin backing up those folders to your account in the background. The first backup may take some time if you have a lot of files, so it's best to keep your computer on and connected to the internet. Now, let's talk about external drives. Dropbox can automatically back up external hard drives or SD cards as soon as you plug them in. When you connect an external drive, Dropbox may show a prompt asking if you want to back it up. Confirm the backup if you want that drive's contents stored safely in the cloud. This is especially useful for drives that hold photos, videos, or old project archives that you don't want to lose. Today, I'll show you how to free up space using selective sync. This feature is essential if your Dropbox is huge, but your computer's storage is limited. It lets you choose which folders stay downloaded on your computer and which live only on Dropbox.com. To use it, go back to the Dropbox Preferences window. This time, click the Sync option in the left side column. In the Sync settings, you'll see a button or link for Selective Sync. Click Selective Sync and Dropbox will display a list of folders in your account. Go through the list and uncheck any folders you don't need stored on your computer all the time. Those unchecked folders will remain safely in your Dropbox account online, but they won't take up space on your hard drive. Once you've made your choices, click Save. Dropbox will update what's stored locally, which may take a moment. The benefit of this setup is huge. You can keep massive archives, old projects, or large media collections backed up in the cloud while keeping your laptop light and fast. With Dropbox backup and selective sync working together, your files stay protected and your computer stays clutter-free.